In this video, I'm going to show you how to use calculated table to create a table in Power BI. We're also going to learn how to use summarize in Power BI to summarize some large data set and create some amazing table. Here in Power BI, I have this table called fact sales, and I would like to summarize this table by model, line of business, revenue, and probably count the transactions of this table. So to do that, I'm going to go to modeling for my Power BI table and click on new table. Inside my new table, I'm probably going to call this table fact summary, right? And I'm going to use a measure called summarize. I'm going to use a measure called summarize. So another way of you reading about a measure, when you click the tick here, this gives you more explanations to what the measure does. Create a summary, the input table grouped by the specified columns. So I want to use summarize. And then the table I want to summarize is the fact sales. And I'm going to put comma. The first argument is table. I'll put comma. Then what do you want to group it by? I want to group it by model. I also want to group it by line of business ID. And now I want to create the group by the expression for the group by column. So the first thing I want to calculate is the revenue. Let me say total revenue. And the expression I'm going to use for that is sum. I want to sum of fact sales revenue, and close my bracket. Now put a comma and do the second argument. So the second expression I would like to show is the total transaction, right? How many transactions was carried out? Total transaction. I'm going to put comma. The expression I'm going to use for that is something called count rows. Count rows. So I'm counting the rows in the fact sales. And I'm going to put my fact sales in there as a table because I'm going to supply table. Count rows asks for table. I'll close my bracket. And I'll also close my bracket for summarize. Once I do that, I'll hit enter. To view the result of the DAX calculated table we just created, you have to go to the data view here. From data view, you will see the file name here, which is called fact summary. This is a new table that we just generated, and this is the output of the table. And when you select the table as well, you will see the formula that was written for the table.